Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most reliable and efficient pool care solutions on the market, the Hayward W3T-CELL-15 Turbocell Salt Chlorination Cell for in-ground swimming pools. If you're looking for a way to save money while maintaining crystal clear, sanitized pool water, this is the product you need. The Hayward Turbocell T Cell-15 is designed for in-ground pools up to 40,000 gallons. It's the best salt chlorination cell in Hayward's lineup, delivering silky smooth, naturally sanitized water that won't irritate your eyes, dry out your skin, or cause fabric fading like traditional chlorine. Plus, it helps reduce chlorine odors, making your pool experience more pleasant and enjoyable. With this cell, you get the perfect balance between efficiency and performance. One of the standout benefits of the Turbocell T Cell-15 is its ability to cut chlorine costs by up to 50%. Over the course of a pool season, that's a significant saving, and when you combine that with the added convenience of saltwater systems, you'll wonder why you ever used traditional chlorine. This salt Chlorinator is independently certified by the National Sanitation Foundation, ensuring that it meets high standards for performance and reliability. Compatibility is another key feature of the Hayward Turbocell T Cell-15. It works seamlessly with various Hayward salt chlorination systems such as AquaRite, AquaRite Pro, and Swim Pure Plus. If you're using any of these systems, this cell will integrate effortlessly. Additionally, it's compatible with several Hayward automation and control systems, including OmniLogic, OmniHub, ProLogic, and Aqua Plus, making it ideal for those who already have automated pool management in place. The installation process is straightforward, and with proper care, the Turbocell can provide years of dependable service. The cell is backed by Hayward's solid reputation for quality, and it comes with a 3-year spare parts availability duration, meaning you can rely on support if needed. The product dimensions are compact at 11.7 by 5.6 by 3.8 inches and it weighs only 4.14 pounds, so it's easy to handle during installation. At a price point of around $899, this product might seem like a bit of an investment. But when you factor in the long-term savings on chlorine and the peace of mind it brings to pool maintenance, it's well worth it. Not only does it save you money, but it also gives you hassle-free pool care all season long. So if you're ready to experience clean, sanitized water without the irritation of traditional chlorine, the Hayward W3T-CELL-15 Turbocell Salt Chlorination Cell is the best choice for your pool. Be sure to check out the link in the description to grab yours today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more pool care tips and product reviews here on Product Critique.